Today I want to get into building your email list the right way. And to add just a little more context, I ran the Papa John's email program from 2005 to roughly about 2018. And during this time, we grew the list from 300K to 14 million, or a little over 14 million, just to give you a kind of context. So I do have quite a lot of experience in this realm in working for a national brand and, using tools, techniques to really start building that list with more quality instead of quantity. All right, let's dig in a little bit. Once you start talking about email list and email list growth, the one thing that really stands out, these consumers are giving you data, they're giving you their information. So building trust is an absolute must. So when you are got a sign up page, a lead magnet, whatever it may be very upfront of what it is that you're offering, what the consumer, the end consumer is going to get, why they're going to receive the email, what's the frequency, what's the content itself. Be very upfront about this. And, as you go along, you will start building trust with these consumers. But trust is the number one thing that you need to build. Another great way to help build your list is cross-channel promotion. Think about your social channels or the other channels your audiences are in within your website, within text messages, within push notifications, like I said earlier, social, on print pieces. But you want to hit them as much as you can about what the benefits are. And if you have the opportunity, give them samples of what the newsletters are going to look like. And with the data that you are collecting, this also has that ability for you to be much more customized, personalized, and have more dynamic content that is relevant for those consumers. So another aspect of this is to create a preference center. And within this preference center, you have all the options that a consumer may be interested in, and let them choose what it is that they want. Let them choose your frequency, the day of the week they want it, the content, the type of content, so that you can then know what you need to create to be more relevant for those consumers. And this gets back to the trust level that we talked about earlier. What are some other ways to gather email addresses and get people in? Think about surveys. Think about sweepstakes or contests that you can run. Gated community where you're giving something away, and in return, give us your address. So, there's those type tools and techniques that you can use. Also, like I said, giveaways, the contests, but the ability for you to truly have an event or a webinar to where you're collecting this, and now you're creating a journey for those individuals, and you're being able to communicate back and forth about the event, about what's happening, what they can expect. And then after some of these things are over, you have that ability to then communicate back out again. So there's so many opportunities for you to truly not only gather an email address, but be very effective and efficient with it in the way you're communicating with these consumers. It's very powerful because email, in my opinion, still has one of the highest ROIs of any digital channel that you have out there. One thing that I do advise against is renting list and buying list. And the reasoning behind that is, these people, they're signing up for something somewhere. The people that are selling this list, you have no control over what it is that they're wanting, how they even got into these programs. So, when you're sending something to these individuals, one, they haven't necessarily signed up for your content. There's the potential for them to flag you as spam, hurt your sending reputation. And in the end, do you want quantity or do you want quality? And quality, in my opinion, wins out every single time. Build the list the right way. Build the list and bring the people in. Build trust the right way. With a rented list or a bought list, is there really trust being built there? Because those individuals did not choose your brand. They chose some other mechanism, or someone else added them. And by them getting your message, are you going to surprise them? So, those are some opportunities I see with the buy and rent listing that it's just not worth it in the long run for your brand. I hope you found this helpful in ways to build a quality email database. For other ideas, advice, go to b2the7.com. Connect with me here on LinkedIn. Like I said earlier, I've got many years in the email space as far as building lists, building content, creating customer journeys, creating welcome campaigns, drip campaigns. Is this something your brand needs? Reach out, let's talk, and we can walk through it, and I can help guide you with your strategy, with your content, and where you need to go with your programs. Like I said, follow on b2the7.com. I'll put other links down in the comments, and everyone have a great day.